Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Test your knowledge. Oral activity topic. Important du'as for everyday life. Question 1. What should we say when we see something beautiful? Answer. Masha. It means whatever Allah wills. We say this to express appreciation and protect from the evil eye. Question 2. What should we say when we sneeze? Answer. Alhamdulillah. It means all praise is for Allah. We thank Allah for keeping us healthy. Question 3. What should we say when we plan to do something later? Answer. Insha-Allah. It means if Allah wills. We say this because everything happens with Allah's permission. Question 4. What should we say before doing homework? Answer. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. It means, O my Lord, increase me in knowledge. We ask Allah to help us learn and understand better. Great job, kids. Keep practicing these du'as, and they will become a part of your daily routine. May Allah bless us with knowledge and goodness. Ameen. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum.